Hi, I'm George Steimer, Product Manager with TSG. This is the first in a series of demos where you can see how the TSG Compliance Solution works. In this demo, I'm going to show how users can search for and view documents in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the HPI as my user and head over to search. Now HPI has this concept of tracks, and here we are on the control docs track searching for quality documents. So the search criteria, which can be configured by the administrator, appears over here on the left. So I'm just going to say, hey, for now, just search for TSG documents in the effective status. And I can go ahead and run that search. And the search table appears over here on the right. Now we like to always show that the table and the criteria is visible at the same time. So if I want to make a quick change, I can go ahead and just do that and rerun my search. And now I get my full search results based on that update. Now this table over here, the columns are configurable by the administrator, but certain columns can be configured as invisible by default, and the user can change it to update to their needs. So for example, if I really want to see the title, but I don't need to see the approved date, I can quickly do that. The user can also reorder columns. Like for example, maybe the title is more important to me, and I can also change the width of the column, say to give the title more room. And the system's going to remember that. So the next time I run my search, it's going to remember which columns I like to see, in what order, and also the widths that I've given each column. Additionally, I can click the column itself to sort the entire table, and I can do that on any column. The search here is actually going to respect the security of the underlying repository. So my user, as you saw here, I have the ability to see superseded documents, but other users, when they run those searches, may not see those documents. Now I can actually run actions on these documents as well. So I can run group actions, and a very common one is to export to Excel. So here, if I check all the documents, select all of them across all pages, one of the actions here is going to be to export results to Excel. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And it's going to download a document. And I'll just go ahead and open it to show you what that looks like. So here's my results table in Excel. We can also execute actions on single documents, which can be done simply by right-clicking. So I'll just go ahead and right-click this document and say we'll do view properties, and I can view the properties for this document. And when I found the document that I want, that I might want to view, I'll just take a look at this TSG 121 document. We're taken to the HPI stage where I see a quick preview of the document. And then the administrator can configure any number of actions to execute on the document up above, and potentially actions on the folder, like for example, adding more documents to this folder. And also this is going to respect the security as well. So a user who doesn't have the ability to say, edit this document won't see this checkout action. And a user that doesn't have the ability to add new documents won't see this add documents action. We also have this related objects section, which in the compliance solution is very useful for seeing which change request form was used to approve this document. So I can quickly see that this SCR 063 document was used to approve this TSG 121. And I can even view the document side by side. So I can take a look at the document as well as the contents of the form that was used to approve it. We're actually going to work with this document in our demo series here. And let's just say for our next demo, we are going to look at adding a new server to the Thursday backup schedule. Well, that's it for this short demo. Thanks for listening. Be sure to follow along in the next demo in the Compliance Solution series where we're going to make this change and show how we can actually edit this document. Thanks for listening.